How long have you been together?
2 years.
2 years.
Yeah.
Okay. Is your partner light skin or dark skin?
She's light skinned, obviously.
Okay. What is your partner's name?
My partner's name.
Yes.
Yo. wait. My partner's name.
Yes.
It's Mandisa, dog.
Hmm?
It's Mandisa.
What's your name?
Ngumandisa. Okay, but why qamba manga we've been together for 2 years?
Hello.
So,
Who's this?
okay, this is Mandisa, but it's not 2 years. So,
Omuphi lo naye for 2 years.
and she's light skinned, ne?
And I'm dark.
I believe you're not light skinned.
Hey. When the Mandisa I date, it's light skin, bro.
So lo dark yena.
Who are you?
Please take her phone and talk to your man.
Uthini?
Who are you? Which Mandisa are you?
Hey, wena wazabo mandisa bangaki?
The one I'm dating is light skinned and we've been together for 2 years. And who are you?
Hezim. Fakela ukushisa lo. So awungazi mina kahle kahle.
No, maybe if you can explain yourself, maybe I'll remember you. Who are you? Because even the voice is not familiar.
I'm explaining next. Ngijwayela kabi. Yazi thatha phone.
You wanted to swear? You feel free to swear.
Almost.
Feel free
No.
to swear.
He's not worth it.
Hey,
But you're not worth it.
what's
She's
going
such-
on, man?
I wena mocabanga what's going on.
Like, who is this? Who are you? Okay, wait. Which Mandisa are you? Like, explain. Dark skinned. How do you know me?
You can take the phone.
No, angisafuna ukukhuluma naye. Uthi akangazi mos.